The best motherboard for Ryzen 7 ensures stable performance, faster memory support, reliable power delivery, future upgrades, and enhanced gaming productivity. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboards for Ryzen 7 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus ATX motherboard. Built for enthusiasts and power users, this AM5 motherboard delivers an outstanding foundation for high-performance Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Its robust 14 plus 2 plus 1 phase 88 DRMOS power design, premium alloy chokes, and durable capacitors provide exceptionally stable power delivery, making it ideal for demanding workloads, gaming, and even overclocking. The 8-layer PCB further enhances signal integrity and long-term reliability. Storage performance is equally impressive, featuring one PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot and two PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all protected by dedicated heat sinks to maintain peak SSD speeds. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5.0x16, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, high-speed USB Type-C ports, and Thunderbolt USB 4 header support for maximum flexibility. Designed with AI-focused computing in mind, it offers the bandwidth and expansion modern applications demand. Overall, this motherboard combines premium build quality, cutting-edge connectivity, and excellent upgrade potential, making it a reliable choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking long-lasting performance. Now our second product is Micro Center CPU Motherboard Combo. This AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D and MSI Pro X 870E P Wi-Fi bundle delivers an exceptional platform for gamers and performance enthusiasts. Powered by AMD's Zen 5 architecture and next-generation 3D V-Cache technology, the 8-core 16-thread Ryzen 7 9800X 3D reaches up to 5.2 GHz, while its massive 104 MB cache significantly improves gaming performance, reducing latency and boosting frame rates in CPU-intensive titles. The unlocked processor also offers excellent tuning potential, though a separate cooler is required. The MSI Pro X 870E P Wi-Fi complements the CPU with a robust 14-phase 60A power design, ensuring stable operation during heavy workloads and overclocking. Support for DDR5 memory up to 8200 plus MT/S, PCIe 5.0 graphics, Gen 5 M.2 storage, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and ultra-fast USB 40 gigabit per second connectivity makes this motherboard highly future-ready. Advanced cooling features, including extended heat sinks and shield Frozr technology, keep temperatures under control. Overall, this combination offers outstanding gaming performance, premium connectivity, and excellent long-term upgrade potential. Our third product is Gigabyte B850 AM5 ATX motherboard. This AM5 motherboard is a strong choice for users building a high-performance AMD Ryzen system. Compatible with Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, it provides a future-ready platform that can easily handle gaming, content creation, and demanding multitasking. The robust 14 plus 2 plus 2 power design delivers clean and stable power to the CPU, ensuring reliable performance during intensive workloads and overclocking. Support for DDR5 memory enables faster data transfer, lower latency, and improved overall system responsiveness. Storage and expansion are equally impressive, featuring PCIe 5.0 support and 3 M.2 slots for blazing fast NVMe SSDs, giving users plenty of room for high-speed storage upgrades. The integrated VRM and M.2 thermal guard effectively manage heat, helping maintain consistent performance even during extended sessions. Modern connectivity options, including USB-C and sensor panel link, add convenience and flexibility for today's PC builds. Overall, This motherboard combines excellent power delivery, efficient cooling, next-generation connectivity, and outstanding upgrade potential, making it an excellent foundation for a powerful AM5 desktop. Now number 4, MSI MPGX 870 E-Carbon Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard. Designed for AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, this motherboard delivers the performance and reliability needed for modern gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. Its premium thermal design features a heavy-plated MOSFET heatsink, integrated heat pipe, high-quality 7W/MK thermal pads, extra choke cooling, and an onboard M.2 shield frozzer to effectively control temperatures during sustained high-performance use. The inclusion of PCIe 5.0 provides an impressive 128 GB per second of bandwidth, ensuring maximum performance for next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast storage devices. One of its most convenient features is the easy PCIe release button, making graphics card installation and removal quick and hassle-free without risking damage to the slot. Dual LAN connectivity offers flexible, high-speed networking for gaming, business, or server applications while improving network reliability. Overall, this motherboard combines efficient cooling, next-generation expansion, user-friendly design, and dependable connectivity, making it an excellent foundation for a powerful, future-ready AM5 desktop build. And our last choice is inland AMD Ryzen 770-700X CPU processor. The AMD Ryzen 770-700X paired with the Gigabyte B650 Gaming X AXV2 creates a well-balanced platform for gamers and power users seeking outstanding performance and upgrade potential. Featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz, the Ryzen 770-700X delivers excellent gaming performance, often exceeding 100 FPS in popular titles while also handling streaming, content creation, and multitasking with ease. Its unlocked design allows enthusiasts to push performance even further, though a separate CPU cooler is required. The B650 Gaming X AXV2 complements the processor with a reliable 8+2+2 phase digital VRAM, DDR5 memory support, PCIe 5.0 storage, and multiple PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots for ultra-fast SSDs. Integrated Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C, and SmartFan 6 provide modern connectivity and efficient cooling control. Features like RGB Fusion 2.0 and QFlash Plus add convenience and customization, making this combination an excellent choice for a high-performance, future-ready AM5 gaming PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.